All right, so I wanted to try something a little bit different today. I started getting blemishes on my skin. You see how it's like red over here? I suffer from rosacea and I have dry, sensitive skin. So last time I got, one of the last times I got a facial, she told me to, what she said, first of all, she told me I need to use organic products. But one of the things she said is to try to get avocado, mash it up and put it on my face. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Natural is good, avocado is good, so let's give it a try, okay? So let me put my phone down. I'm gonna have an avocado right here, so let's cut it up. This is my first time trying this, guys, so let's see how it goes. Let me just cut up this avocado. I know I've had this avocado for a few days, so I know it's definitely ready. Nice and soft, okay? Let me cut out the inside. Did I take the pit out yet? Nope, I did not take the pit out yet. That'll help. Okay, all right. Let's get this out. Okay, so I have the pit out. I'm gonna take all the avocado out. Okay, I'm not left with much. I only have like a little bit of avocado here. All right, let me get a spoon. I'm gonna mash this up. Okay, so let's mash this up here. All right, oh gosh, here we go. Yuck, okay, so now let me get my hair tie. Let's do this, okay? All right, here we go. Put my hair tie. I'm in my pajamas because it's late. All right, and then here we go. Let's try putting this on my face. All right, let's start with this one. This one is the worst one. Ew. Oh, okay, kind of rubs on like lotion. Okay, let's see. Has anybody done this before? Let me know in the comments if you guys tried anything like this before. Actually, I've tried an organic scrub. I don't know, something with coffee, and I forgot what else I put in it. And it worked really, really good. And that was like a few years ago. So that's the first time I've ever tried something like homemade. All right, here we go. Oh gosh, I still have a whole bunch of avocado left. All right, let's scrub this in. And I don't even know how long I should leave this on. Oh my gosh, I have avocado dropping on the floor. All right, guys. So I will keep you posted and let you know how it goes, okay? For next time. But if you've tried this at home, or if you have anything like organic that you've tried at home before, let me know and put it in the comments, okay? All right, so I finished applying the avocado on my face. It feels like pretty cool on my face, so let's see how it goes. I'm gonna leave this on for maybe 10 minutes and let you know how it goes. All right, so the avocado's all dried up on my face. I'm gonna get ready to rinse my face out right now. Hold on, let me just put this right here. I'll rinse out my face so you can see the results, okay? Let's do this. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take a minute to rinse, guys. It's like late morning. Oh my, I have avocado all up in my sink right now. Oh my gosh, I have avocado in my hair. Yuck. On my chin. Oh my gosh, this is yucky. I need a shower after this. Let me see, did I miss anything? All right, let's take a close look. Let's see. Oh, I see a little bit of improvement. Yeah, I see a little bit of improvement on this side right here. I'm still working on trying to get rid of this, but my face, it feels nice and soft, okay? So let's see, it's worth a try. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon.